Paramatma is seated in my heart. This body he is the owner. He is the first owner. I am a tenant in this body. As a tenant, I should pay my rent. Even let us say you are a tenant sitting there for your own enjoyment. That is karmis, right? They are sitting in this house for their own enjoyment. Their rentals are yajna. They have to pay the rentals. Here it said that yajna means Vishnu. Yajna is offered before the form of Lord Chaitanya. What is that yajna? Yajna is Sankirtana prayer. The best type of yajna is simply chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Simply chanting this mantra before Lord Chaitanya. Okay, before the form of Lord Chaitanya. Very important. In Chaitanya Charitamrita also Prabhupada says that you should remember Lord Chaitanya before you chant. Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda should be remembered before you chant Hare Krishna. Take their blessings. Our chanting can become offenseless if we remember Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because he is very merciful and he blesses us because he is Krishna himself. And he is Radha Krishna and na anya. He is Radha and Krishna together. And what is Hare Krishna Mahamantra? Name of Radha and Krishna together. So you are chanting his name. Hare Krishna Mahamantra is personification of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This confidential information given in Bhagavatam, Yajna Sankirtana Prayar Yajanti Hi Sumedasha. Intelligent people will worship this personality through Sankirtana. This is a very big secret. We can make quick advancement in chanting Hare Krishna if we consider chanting as a worship of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And another significant thing Prabhupada is saying, Lord Vishnu appeared as Daksha Yajna long ago. Lord Chaitanya, Lord Vishnu appeared at Daksha Yajna long ago. Lord Chaitanya has appeared in this age to accept our Sankirtana Yajna. Just see, he is the one who is accepting this Sankirtana Yajna. So where we see when we chant our rounds, the beginning of each round we chant Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. That's been the tradition, it's coming from Prabhupada. And you will read in Chaitanya Charitamrita this particular quote where Prabhupada is saying that yes, we should chant the names of Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda. We become free from offenses. And he also says in several other places, through Sankirtana, who is worshipped? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is worshipped. This special avatara. Why is special avatara? Because Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pratayate. He is extremely munificent. If I own something, if I am the owner of something, I can give out to whom I want, whatever I want, yes or no, right? Similarly, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself, so he is giving out freely. Take Harinam, take Harinam. No qualification given. If he is ready to give, give. Nobody can object because it is his property, it is his name. Only Krishna can distribute his name like this, isn't it? Without qualification. Just do Kirtaniya Sadahari. All Brahman realization will follow you. You are in Tamoguna also, start chanting Hare Krishna. You will see Brahman realization will follow you. Paramatma realization will follow you. Bhagavan realization will follow you. Remember means you should understand that this is, I am worshipping them. Just like you worship Tulsi, Lord's lotus feet, right? Vishnu Sahasranama, you put one by one, right? The same way, you're offering to them. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Offering means he is taking. For his pleasure you do, and you know he is pleased. As per Shastra, he is pleased. So you feel good. Bead after bead, I am pleasing Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.